Now, Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, it really poured this morning in some areas, including Corpus Christi. You can see where that line of moisture moved in and picking up 2¼ inches of rain at the Naval Air Station, 7/10 at the airport. But over the past 2 days, the airport has seen 1 inch and 2/10 rainfall. I even saw some totals, including my own rain gauge in Corpus Christi, of 3 inches of rain. Not a surprise if you heard that rain coming down this morning. And Rockport picking up over 1 inch, as well as Port Aransas with lower amounts off to the west. So after the rain, now it's quiet. We have just some clouds left over now, and as we go through the next few hours, these will thin out a bit and start to clear a little bit. And with that, we have a lot of moisture in the ground, so we'll see some fog later on. Right now, we have temperatures in the 80s. Yeah, it's been nice and mild today. 88 degrees currently in Corpus Christi, but still 95 at Beeville. The winds are very light, and these, again, coming in from the east, are going to die down tonight to nearly calm winds tonight. And with the calm winds, the moisture in the ground, we're likely to see some areas of fog develop by morning and temperatures down into the upper 70s. Here's a look at Fog Tracker. This is this evening at 9 o'clock. These are visibilities in miles, and you can see we're still doing good here for the evening hours, but as we get toward the morning, we'll see some of that fog developing, and visibilities are forecast to drop close to 1 mile, possibly a little less than that. So you may run into some dense fog early in the morning tomorrow. If you're on your commute all the way up until 8 in the morning, we'll start to see it lifting, and then we'll of course see it lift very quickly by mid-morning, and we'll see sunshine tomorrow, and temperatures are going to heat back up, back to reality here. This is the forecast for your Friday. Temperatures at 78 in the morning with that fog, possibly a stray shower, but most of the area stays dry tomorrow and hot. Temperatures up to 92 by noon, 4 o'clock 94. That heat index reaching about 106 to 107 tomorrow afternoon in Corpus Christi. You will notice the humidity tomorrow. These are the forecast highs then, closing in on 100, upper 90s to near 100 well inland tomorrow. Corpus Christi 95, at the coast 90. The wind still not too strong tomorrow, but that wind is going to pick up a little bit over the next few days. Now the rip current risk is going back down tonight and into tomorrow as we see the waves starting to drop back down. So 2 to 4 foot waves for tomorrow. If you're heading to the beach, there'll be a lot more sunshine tomorrow than we had today, of course. And the wind is going to start increasing. Our onshore flow, although the winds will be fairly quiet tomorrow, the onshore flow increases, and by the time we get into Sunday and Monday, we get into some stronger winds around 20 miles an hour. It'll be on the breezy side. Our dome of high pressure is with us, and that's going to keep it dry the next couple of days, but as it pulls back to the west, we're going to get back into a moist airflow. After the air dries out just for a couple of days, this higher pressure aloft to the east is going to give us that airflow coming in from the south, and you see these little blobs drawn on here? Those are actually disturbances in the atmosphere. And with that moist air and these disturbances coming in from the south, we're likely to pick up a couple of showers as we head into next week, and that'll be around Monday through Wednesday. So with that, here is your 7-day forecast. After the nice break we had with the rain and the cooler weather, well, it's back to those hot temperatures the next few days, with tomorrow 95 and mid to upper 90s in Corpus Christi through the weekend. Heading into next week, we do see that chance of rain. Some spotty showers and thunderstorms are possible, and the temperatures come back down to near normal by Tuesday.